Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on any designing software that is basically Pro. Okay. Here I am going to teach you how to use this software. We will start from the basics and then we will move to the advanced level. It is not a very difficult software. Here I am to help you. We will go step by step. This is an introduction part. In this tutorial, I will discuss what are the requirements of using that software and what do you need. So basically, you should have at least 4 GB RAM on your desktop or on your laptop, and you also need an external mouse. Without mouse it is very difficult to draw an object on the Pro software. Here you can see whenever you when you will open your software, it will open like it. Okay, this will be your main screen when your software will get open. Okay, so you just first of all you just need to click on this new. Here you can see this is new, and then you will see here some modules: the part module, assembly, manufacturing, drawing format, report, diagram, layout, and markup, and etc. These things. uh, I'm from India, so here you can see it, use default templates. Just untick that box, click on OK. As I said, I am from India. Generally we use here MMNS. These are the basically dimensions. This is MMNS mean, if I am drawing a line, so I need to put it 200, and that's mean it is 200 mm. So these are other dimensions like in inches. Okay, so you can easily click on it. So this is MMNS part first of all, and then click OK. That's mean whatever you will draw, it will be in mm. Suppose you put a dimension 200, that's mean it is 200 mm. Okay, as you can see this screen, after doing that you will face this screen. I'm going to show you what that screen exactly it is. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pull down menu. Here you can see the top tool chest. It is window size control. What it is? Okay, this is a window size control. You can control it, you can enlarge the size or reduce the size. Okay, if you want, you can easily see it. And this is a navigation control. This portion is a navigation control. Promote message slash window. Promote message slash window. If any error occurred, or if you are saving any design or in any drawing, it will easily get saved here, and you will see the message here on the screen. You can see this is the pop-up message. A pop-up message will come when you will save any object or if any error occurred during the designing process. Now here are the filter setting. This is the main graphics area. Here you can see this is the main graphics area of the Pro software, and this is right tool chest. It is called right tool chest. This is top tool chest, pull down menu, and it is right tool chest. So I think now you will be aware about the different kinds of portion of the software, what it is called. Okay, now we will talk about the designing part. Okay, so starting, um, as you can see here, there are the different planes. This is the front plane, this is the top plane, and this is the right plane. As I'm telling you, you have to use the external mouse of using. Okay, how to use that mouse I will also explain about that. So suppose you want to draw, it doesn't matter on which plane you draw. Okay, you can draw on the front plane, you can also draw on the top plane, and you even also can draw on the right plane. So suppose I just want to draw on the front plane. I will just do the left click. Okay, left click on the front plane, and then I will click on the sketch. Okay, and then again sketch. Okay, here are we on sketch section. At the right side you can see the different tools. By using them we can draw any object or the geometry which will be given to us. Now in this section I will be discussing some of the tools like plane display. If you want to hide your plane, just click on it, the plane will be hidden as you can see. And if you want to bring it back, just click on it again, and the your plane will come again. And this is the axis display. Now suppose in the 3D object the axes are created. Okay, so if you want to hide those axes, just click on it simply and again click on it to be visible. And these are the point. You can same like others, you can hide it and hide it by clicking and again clicking in. um, Now I was telling about the mouse, how to use your mouse. For selecting any object, for selecting any tool, just click just click left. Okay, you need to click left and that tool will get selected. Okay, suppose by mistake if you press the middle mouse button, I'm again saying that middle mouse button, and by pressing it you move your object, you move your mouse. If you move your mouse, the screen will be like it. Okay, uh, now you can see the top plane, right plane, but you need to work only on the front plane. So to get back it in position, just click on sketch orientation, and again you will see that front, and you can easily draw it whatever you want. On the next video I will be discussing about these tools. We'll discuss about every tool here, like line, this is rectangle again. In on the next tutorial I will be discussing about those things. Now these are also very important tools, so I will discuss about it later. For now, to rotate any object, just click on your middle mouse button, hold it, and now move your mouse. Okay, as you can see here, I said middle mouse button. It is not necessary to move your screen, your mouse. It is not necessary to use that middle mouse button here. But when you will be drawing 3D parts, at that time it is very important to move that portion. Okay, just simply click on sketch orientation, and it will be get back into his original position. Uh, okay, now, oh sorry, I forgot about one thing. Okay, I will discuss it. At the start, when the plane was like it, the screen was like it, and just click on file and click on properties. You can assign any material here. So from the material, this is the material, and you can assign a new material. Suppose you are making a ball, simply a ball, and if you want to make it of copper, bronze, iron, epoxy, whatever it is, you can select any material from here. Okay, just select on it and click on OK. Whatever will be the result, it will be of what will be the result? It will be of aluminium or brass, etc. Okay, I will close it for now. The units, here you can see the different units. I have already selected the MMNS, that is millimeter Newton second, but you can change it from here. As you can see, different units are here. According to your country, you can decide your units, that is millimeter Newton second, millimeter kilogram second, millimeter kilogram second, MKS, inch pound second, IPS, and inch LBM second. Depends upon you which what kind of dimension, what kind of measurements you are using. You can select it from here. I am going to use only MMNS. Okay, here, close it. Accuracy, that is not important. Mass properties, when you will create an object, you can even calculate the mass of the object. Okay, and these are the relation parameter are used for creating any specific you can say spline curve or these type of complicated curve. You can use this relations again. Features and geometry, these are not so much I think these are not so much important, and but when creating the 3D object, we have to use those things also. Okay, so we will discuss about it also in our next tutorial videos. For now, close it. Now one more thing I am going to tell you about the mouse, and that is, if you want to zoom in your object, roll your middle mouse button backward. Okay, if you want to zoom in, just do it backward, and if you want to zoom out, just roll it forward. Okay, roll it forward, it will be get zoom out, and if you want to zoom in, just roll your middle mouse button backward. Okay, and it will get zoom in. So I think it is enough for the introduction part. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Like it, share it, subscribe my channel. If you find any difficulty, comment below. Thank you, guys.